Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily synchronize your Wi-Fi password across the Apple devices on iOS 26. So here, as you can see, I do have the device with iOS 18 and here I do have the device with the iOS 26. So as you can see, here on both devices we have our passwords synchronized. And how to do that? At first we have to go back to the settings menu. Now we have to go here into our accounts information and we have to make sure that we are logged into the same accounts. Here I do have the HardReset.Info 1 and HardReset.Info 1 at gmail.com. When we are sure that we are logged into our accounts and this is the same account, we have to enter then Wi-Fi. Here Wi-Fi. As you can see, I do have here 3 networks here and 4 networks here. But that's not really no matter because here we do have the 5. So let's forget one network from here, for example this one. Here we have to just forget this network and forget. Here, as you can see, we have moved to any other, and let's disable Wi-Fi from there. Now we can enable it back and forget the Wi-Fi network again. Now let me for example close my phone and lock it, and let's now add the Wi-Fi network, which was this, to the iPhone again. So let me enter the password. Here now I've entered my password, and as you can see, this is this Wi-Fi network, and we are now connected again. On this iPhone, on the left, let me just unlock my phone. We now have to enter the settings and Wi-Fi. Now let's disable Wi-Fi and enable it back again. Now let's tap on our network and everything should be done because we have the Wi-Fi password. As you can see, it works. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.